Hi, welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. I'm gonna apologize right now for missing an upload last week. I have been being nurse mom for Bandit. He did have a double knee surgery last week, and it's been a lot. It's been a lot taking care of him. So if I miss uploads, I sincerely am so sorry, but my priority is nursing my dog back to 100% health, and the next couple weeks are just going to be a lot. And running out of time in the day for a dog who needs a lot of attention right now. But that is okay. We are not here to talk about that. We are here to discuss my deck of panning update for March. And if you're unfamiliar with this project, this was a project that was conceptualized by a booktuber, actually. Her channel is Books with Maddie, but Emily and Max is the creator, the mastermind that decided to bring this into a panning project. And I will have Emily's channel and Maddie's channel listed down below in the description box, so you can just click and see. Emily has a really thorough introduction video and like a how-to on how to play the game, so I'm not going to get too much into it, but it is centered around a deck of cards and a game board. Each card has a prompt base to it, and the prompts do change monthly unless it is a face card. So ace, jack, king, queen, those all will have the same prompts for the entire year, and then any of the numeric cards, so 2 through 10, those randomly change throughout every month. Every month they change on the 10th. So I have my items in front of me. We do have an extra item compared to most people in this project because there was the time, the intro, that we rolled an extra shade. Lucky us. So I actually have 6 items to talk about today, and I'm just going to keep it 6 unless I get like a -1 kind of thing. So I'm just going to talk about them in the order that they appear in my project. I don't know. I'm going to go in what I think was the right order, how we talk about them the past couple times. So yeah, the first item we have to talk about is a concealer, and I had a pick your space prompt for this one, and on the board that month concealer was a space, and I only have very few concealers in my collection, and this is the one that I really wanted to focus on. So I was like, you know what, why not? We'll just roll it into this project. It'll be fine. I have used this another 14 times this month. I don't have the total value. It'll be somewhere on the screen, but I am struggling getting product out of this now. I have tried to remove the stopper. It doesn't remove. It is like locked in there. Woo! So I am going to attempt to get as much product as I can out of this. I was going to roll this out this update, but I think there's definitely product coating the sides that I can reach, but I can't reach all the way to the bottom. So there is about this much product on the bottom, maybe where like just below where the T is and down. I can't reach it. This does not go down far enough, so I can't actually reach the product, but I can reach the products that's coating the sides of this. So I will continue to use this probably just for another month. Now, I will be very honest, my numbers for usage is a little bit skewed this month because in February, like the entire month of February, I just did not do anything. Stressed out with work, I was stressed out with the dog, I was just, it was a bad tracking month for me. So starting March 1st, I've been tracking everything. So this is really just usage from that screen. So this is going to stay in, but only for another month. And I'm really excited that this is going to be a rollout next time. Something else I brought in was it was like a combo prompt. So in order to, like, if we're not going to pick a prompt, we have to pick 2 cards and combine the prompts and like think of a thing that way. So I ended up picking, the prompts were a focus and a hair care. So I don't really have a focus on my hair care other than like some of my low hanging fruit that I'm just trying to get out of my hair care routine. I ended up rolling in this. This is a Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I liked this. Not my favorite. When we rolled it in, I estimated that we were here, like where Main Magic was. Last update, we were down where this gold line is, so pretty close to the bottom, and I ended up finishing this up. There's a little tiny bit. I had to like dump it into my hand to run it through my hair, so I'm done with this. I'm excited because I have a couple other heat protectants in my stash now that I've gotten through work for free. I don't know if I'd repurchase it. I can see myself doing it down the line. And that means we have one item that's going to roll on into this project. Another very exciting thing. Very excited about that. Then I want to say the last product that we had, like from the intro, is this guy here. And this was oh man, I forget what prompt this was. It'll be on the screen. I truly can't remember. But this is a perfume. This is the Kenneth Cole Black EDT Eau de Toilette, or whatever it is. So this was at the white line when we rolled it in, or pretty darn close to that white line when we rolled it in. This is extremely hard to see through. Like I have to angle my light through it just right. And even then I can't really see the light through it. I have to like wait until I see like the light get distorted to figure out where the product is in here. So I was at the white line at the intro. We were at that little tiny gold line. And now I think I'm here. I don't think there's that much left. I'm actually going to roll this out of the project considering the goal met, but there's like maybe a week's worth of use in it. When I spray it, it's mostly like no perfume comes out. It's just kind of like a light cloud of like air. Like there's really nothing that comes out. It's just like a really tiny spritz of air comes out. So I'm going to say that this is going to be done in like no more than a week's time. Again, I'm really bad at tracking things that are not makeup. If they're not sitting on my desk and I like tally it up, like this is the last thing I do before I'm running out the door. So my tracking for like a perfume is truly abysmal, like even more so than it's been more abysmal than I've tracked this month. Like that's even worse. The next item we have is an eyeshadow, and I rolled this for the prompt like Spotlight a Pan or something like that. And for that, I ended up picking a black eyeshadow for Linda from Linda Loves Life. There is something truly magical about Linda. She is so dedicated that she will continuously pan black eyeshadows to completion. I don't think she works on any more than one at a time, but she does do it to completion, and I was not going to make that my goal. My goal is to only hit pan in this black eyeshadow. So here we were at the introduction. Very little usage on that. I rolled it in really because we were focusing on a green in my pan those eyeshadows from the same palette. Now here is what it was looking like at the first update. Again, you can't tell that I used it all, but I promise you I did. And this is what we are looking like now in March. And again, there's like no usage in this. I have this on my look today. Really, really smoked out liner. This is going to take a million years to show any usage and to hit pan. Like this is a in it for the long haul kind of product for me. Why did I pick it for that prompt? I don't know, but here we are. I did see there's a veto on the board this month, and I am hoping for it to roll that black eyeshadow out, if I'm being very honest. The next item was, I want to say it was for the prompt, something from the brand you own the most of, or most from. And for that, I ended up picking a single shadow. It was like a repanned shadow from Bare Minerals. I don't remember the duo that this was from, but this is the shade Hit Single, and here's what it was looking like last month. I picked this because I knew I was going to be focusing on greens for the month of March, and I thought that this was perfect, like truly perfect. And it went with a product that's in my year-long project pan. This is what Hit Single is looking like today, and you can definitely see in that very center I have pan. This was something that I wore a lot as a base shade. I put my Mint Melt eyeshadow stick, then I put a cream to powder shade from Natasha Denona on top, and then I would put this guy layered on top again, and then another super shimmery, sparkly, exciting shade from like Cleona or like any of my indie duochrome, multichromes on top. I wore that many times. I might have some looks go up. You've probably already seen them in my Pan Those Eyeshadows updates, or will see them in my Pan Those Eyeshadows update, but I'm really happy that I hit pan in that shade. That's our third product that's going to be rolling out of this project. Like, how exciting is this? My last prompt was for something, it was like a random letter generator. I got the letter B last month, so I ended up picking in my BH Cosmetics Avocado Toast palette, and my goal was to no pan left behind this, and you didn't see it in my February update for No Pan Left Behind because I did not finish that goal by the time I had that video go up, but now we have no pan left behind this. So every single shade in this has been touched at least one time, which is the requirements for that goal in this project, and I'm excited. That is my fourth and final item that's getting rolled out, which means we have 4 flippin' items to bring in. So I only have these. The black shadow that you can barely see, and then this staying in this project for another round. This is going to be gone next month though, so I'm really excited. The black eyeshadow is going to be in there forever. All right, so I have already shuffled my deck of cards, but I'm going to just do another one of these real quick so you know that I've shuffled them, and I'm just going to not look at them. I have a feeling I'm going to like drop these. So we need to pick 4 prompts for this project. So I'm just going to cut the deck, and whatever that card is, that's the card we're going to go with. I'm really hoping for an 8 of clubs. I'm going to put that out there. Maybe I can manifest it. That. So I have the 7 of diamonds. Body care. Okay. 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 All right. Ready. This one. Ooh, the Queen of Hearts. Ooh, easy peasy lemon squeezy. That is a gimme product, and I'm super excited about that. The next one, I'm going to give this a shuffle just in case. Huh. Oh my God, we were so close. 7 of clubs. Duo or a multi-chrome. I'm excited about that one. All right, and then one more is going to be this one. 9 of spades. Man, I was hoping for something I didn't get, and a lip product. So I'm excited. I'm gonna mull these over. I'm gonna eat something, and I'm gonna come back. All right, so I lied a little bit. I didn't go eat a snack. I gave Bandit some meds, and then I just jumped back on. But I don't remember the order that I pulled these prompts. For the 7 of diamonds, the prompt is body care, and for that this is probably the thing that took me the longest to think about. And I am going to put in this guy here. This is a Tree Hut body butter. This is in the candy cane scent. As you can tell, candy cane was a holiday release, and we are a couple months after that. So I have used this much organically. Like there's a good amount gone. It's like if I put my finger in it, it's like down to the knuckle kind of thing. So there's a good amount used up. I love this. I mostly use this right before bedtime. I just slather it on my feet and then tuck them right into my sheets so I don't have dry, cracked feet in the morning. So my goal is to completely use this bad boy up. Then for the Queen of Hearts, any red queen is an easy peasy lemon squeezy kind of prompt. So we're just looking at something that's easy, a gimme product, a nice gimme product. And I have been working on this like behind the scenes for myself. And I figure since we need a prompt picked for this, I'm just going to roll this in. This is a like sample size of the Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. If you haven't used this before, it really reminds me of the Too Faced like priming, like the 3-in-1 Hangover RX one. However, there's no like coconut or no scent to this, which is really nice. Like it's totally scent free and just like a priming moisturizer. Not my favorite kind of primer, if I'm being honest. I like it now that I have very dry skin thanks to tretinoin and Michigan winter, but there is not that much product in here. Like we have the airless pump thing, so we are all the way up here. I think this is going to take me maybe a month. I typically use like 1.5 pumps when I use this, and then I use another primer in conjunction, so this gives me like that more moisturized glass skin kind of look, and then I use something that's a little bit more tacky to hold things on. But this is going to be for that easy peasy lemon squeezy kind of prompt. The 7 of clubs. I was so close to the veto, guys. I needed an 8 of clubs, but that's fine. We are fine with this. And this was for a duo or multi-chrome product. And I am on a roll of like doing a no pan left behind in this project. I think that this has been one of the most successful ways to like get a lot of use out of products in my collection. So for duo / multi-chrome, I am going to roll in this palette here. This is the Unearthly Cosmetics All I Ever Wanted Volume 2 palette. And this is literally just filled with duochrome and multi-chrome shades. So my goal for this is to no pan left behind this sucker. And if we know anything about the month of March for me right now, I am working on touching all of my green eyeshadows. So I'm going to try to touch all of the greens in this. So there's about 5 green shades, even this guy, 1, 2, 3. No, I counted that. Yeah, 5.5 green shades in here. So pretty. And then I have the 9 of clubs. I have the 9 of spades here, and this was for a lip product. For the product that I picked, it could have gone into a couple different varieties in this project. It could have gone into Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy because I am rolling in something that I have been organically using for the past few months. That is my Kopari Lip Glossy in the pineapple one. Guys, I have so little left. That is incredible. Look at how little this thing is. It's actually quite a struggle to get the product out of here. So I am thinking this is going to be totally confirmable and empty by next month. I literally have never put this in a project. I'm just like, yes, this is so juicy on my lips. I love it. I love you. So I should, in theory, have at least 3 things rolling out next month. That is my thought, my goal. I think I can get these 3 items out by next month. And I'm really, really excited about it. That is it for my deck of panning project pan. I am starving right now, and Josh brought me some food home, so I'm gonna go eat, go watch my dog, make sure he is doing okay. But thank you guys so much for sticking around watching this video and bearing with me through the next couple weeks as Bandit is recovering from a double knee surgery. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe. I love hearing from you in the comments below. Let me know how you're doing on this project if you are doing it, or if you're just enjoying watching everyone else do this project. Let me know who your favorites are. I would love to know. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!